Meet the Festo BionicANTs, robotic wonders that take inspiration from nature's tiny architects, ants. These mechanical marvels showcase the power of teamwork, communicating and collaborating to tackle challenges beyond the capabilities of a solitary unit. Equipped with advanced control algorithms and intelligent subsystems, these bionic ants operate as a synchronized network, demonstrating cooperative behavior that mimics their natural counterparts. Crafted with cutting-edge technology, the bionic ants boast a sophisticated production process that merges laser-centered components with visible conductor structures, courtesy of the 3D mid-process. Their legs utilize piezo elements for actuation, enabling precise and rapid movements essential for seamless coordination and teamwork. From intricate maneuvers to synchronized tasks, the Festo BionicANTs exemplify the ingenuity of biomimicry and robotics, offering a glimpse into the future of collaborative automation. Meet the Festo BionicFinWave, a revolutionary underwater robot taking cues from the graceful undulations of marine life. Inspired by creatures like the cuttlefish and marine planarian, this marvel of engineering propels itself through water with two silicone fins, mimicking the fluid motions of its biological counterparts. Unlike traditional propeller drives, the BionicFinWave's unique wave-like propulsion system ensures precise and smooth movements, making it ideal for navigating tight spaces with minimal turbulence. Equipped with integrated electronics and 3D printed components, including flexible crankshafts and joints, this underwater wonder can swim in all directions with remarkable agility. From autonomously navigating complex pipe systems to wirelessly communicating data such as temperature and pressure to a tablet, the Festo BionicFinWave represents the pinnacle of biomimicry and robotics, ushering in a new era of underwater exploration and discovery. Meet the Petoi robot dog, Bittle, a small yet powerful bionic dog designed to inspire and educate. This agile quadrupedal robot is an exceptional tool for anyone interested in learning about robotics and engineering. With its open-source platform, the Bittle can be programmed and customized, making it a perfect companion for STEM education and robotics enthusiasts. Assembling the Bittle is akin to piecing together a 3D puzzle, offering a hands-on experience that enriches understanding and creativity. Powered by a custom Arduino board and equipped with 8 servos for fluid movement and 1 for head panning, the Petoi Bittle can walk, trot, and even perform tricks with lifelike precision. With prices starting at $269 USD, this robotic dog brings advanced technology within reach, providing a dynamic and interactive way to delve into the world of quadrupedal robots. Whether for educational purposes or sheer enjoyment, the Bittle offers a fascinating glimpse into the future of robotics. Meet the Hiwonder SpiderPi, a cutting-edge hexapod robot poised to revolutionize the world of robotics research. Powered by a Raspberry Pi 4B4GB and equipped with advanced AI vision capabilities, this marvel of engineering is tailor-made for exploration in motion control, machine vision, and deep learning. With intelligent serial bus servos boasting a torque of 20 kilograms, Python programming compatibility, and app control functionality, the SpiderPi offers endless possibilities for experimentation and innovation. Packed with features such as various gait modes enabled by inverse kinematics and a high-definition wide-angle camera for AI vision applications, the Hiwonder SpiderPi is more than just a robot. It's a gateway to the future of intelligent automation. Starting at $59.99 USD, this remarkable machine opens doors to a world of possibilities for researchers, educators, and enthusiasts alike. Enter the world of biomimicry with the Festo BionicOpter, a marvel of engineering inspired by nature's aerial acrobats. With its ultralight frame and intricate design, This robotic dragonfly takes flight with grace and precision, defying the limitations of conventional aerial drones. With a wingspan of 63 centimeters and a body length of 44 centimeters, the BionicOpter embodies the delicate balance between form and function, weighing in at a mere 175 grams, equipped with advanced sensors, actuators, and communication systems. The BionicOpter offers a level of control and maneuverability previously unseen in robotic flight. Its ability to adjust flapping frequency, amplitude, and wing twist independently allows for complex aerial maneuvers, including omnidirectional flight, hovering, and gliding. With seamless smartphone operation, piloting this technological marvel is as intuitive as it is exhilarating, offering enthusiasts of all ages the chance to experience the wonder of flight firsthand. Meet the Festo BionicKangaroo, a marvel of modern robotics that brings the agile grace of a kangaroo to life. As part of Festo's Bionic Learning Network, this innovative creation replicates the unique jumping mechanics of its natural counterpart. Utilizing an elastic rubber band akin to a kangaroo's Achilles tendon, the BionicKangaroo absorbs kinetic energy upon landing and seamlessly transfers it to the next leap, achieving remarkable efficiency in movement. Controlled via gesture recognition, this robotic kangaroo combines pneumatic and electric drive technologies powered by a mobile energy supply system. It's not just a leap forward in robotics, but a testament to the potential of biomimicry, exploring how principles from nature can inspire advanced technological solutions. The BionicKangaroo exemplifies the exciting intersection of biology and engineering, paving the way for future innovations in robotic mobility. Meet the Festo Emotion butterflies, marvels of modern engineering that mimic the graceful flight patterns of their biological counterparts. These ultralight robotic insects showcase collective behavior seamlessly coordinated through highly integrated onboard electronics. Powered by advancements in miniaturization and functional integration, these butterflies are more than just a technological feat. They're a testament to the endless possibilities of innovation. Part of Festo's Bionic Learning Network, these robotic butterflies demonstrate the convergence of nature and technology, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in robotics. With a network of infrared cameras and a central master computer guiding their flight paths, these fluttering wonders move with agility and precision, navigating semi-autonomously through defined airspace without the risk of collision. The Festo Emotion butterflies are not just a spectacle to behold, they're a glimpse into the future of robotics and biomimicry. Step into the realm of biomimicry with the Festo BionicSwift, a marvel of robotic engineering inspired by nature's aerial acrobats, the Swifts. With wings crafted to mimic the flexibility and efficiency of bird feathers, these lightweight wonders dance through the air with grace and precision, executing loops and steep turns with ease. Powered by cutting-edge technology, including a radio-based indoor GPS system, the BionicSwifts autonomously navigate through defined airspace with the agility of their avian counterparts. Every aspect of their design, from the compact wing flapping mechanism to the integrated communication and control components, is optimized for efficiency and performance, allowing for precise adjustments in flight maneuvers. As they glide effortlessly through the sky, the BionicSwifts serve as a testament to the ingenuity of biomimicry, bridging the gap between nature and technology in pursuit of innovation. Meet the Festo BionicFlyingFox, an engineering marvel that brings the elegance of the natural flying fox to the realm of robotics. This ultra-lightweight robotic creature boasts a wingspan of 28 centimeters and a body length of 87 centimeters, yet weighs a mere 580 grams. Its intelligent kinematics and wafer-thin membrane wings enable it to perform agile and aerodynamic flight maneuvers, mimicking the graceful flight of its biological counterpart. Designed with a 3D foam body and a carbon fiber skeleton, the BionicFlyingFox moves semi-autonomously within a defined airspace. The integration of onboard electronics and an external motion tracking system allows for precise control and coordination, making it a fascinating blend of nature and technology. Whether soaring through the sky or folding its wings independently, the BionicFlyingFox represents the pinnacle of biomimetic design and innovation. Introducing the MIT Mini Cheetah, a pint-sized powerhouse redefining the world of robotics with its nimble agility and impressive acrobatics. Weighing in at just 9 kilos, $20 this four-legged marvel boasts dynamic movement capabilities that rival its feline namesake. From running and jumping to executing jaw-dropping backflips, the Mini Cheetah showcases unparalleled versatility in its actions, setting a new standard for robotic agility. But don't let its small size fool you. This robot is built to withstand the rigors of real-world challenges. With robust design features including high-torque actuators and a flexible range of motion, the Mini Cheetah is as resilient as it is agile. Whether traversing rough terrain or recovering gracefully from unexpected falls, this virtually indestructible marvel is paving the way for a future where robots roam with the grace and agility of their natural counterparts.